Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are at the
St. Louis Renaissance Festival.
Yes, this place is going to be awesome and everything. So come join us on this adventure. Okay, so what's on tab for today?
Turkey legs.
Turkey legs. Okay. What else?
Checking out the costumes.
Checking out all the costumes. Okay, because they're going to be cool.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll check out some other little shops they got going on. And what's the big thing that we're going to do this afternoon?
Jousting.
Oh, yeah, we're going to see some jousting. So you guys need to stick around for that. It's going to be cool. We're going to watch it. I've never seen it in person before. I don't think she has either. And if you guys are kind of want to come check out this place, it's open until October sometime?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're seeing this and it's before October something, whatever date that is, basically if you're watching this after October, you've missed it. So anyway, we're gonna walk in here and check this place out.
Yes.
All right, see you guys then.
Bye.
So far, this whole place is really spread out and big, and like you're in the woods, like literally, like it's all back here behind me. Pretty crazy, right?
It feels like you're not even in the city anymore.
Like, I really think this is like a campground maybe for this park or something. And they just come set this up, but we were looking at it and there's literally more stuff planned throughout the day and the year and everything. So there's a lot more food than just turkey legs here also.
Yeah.
Contest, a whole bunch of stuff. Like, you guys should check this place out, like, big time. It's a lot. It looks like a lot of fun. I think Ash tried to go into the petting zoo just now, but if you look over there, there's a lady with a massive snake around her.
Yeah, I'm done.
She doesn't do snakes, as you guys know from was it Dogwood Canyon that I scared you with one?
So,
yeah, Dogwood Canyon. So and if you guys haven't seen that one, you need to check that one out here. So, but we're gonna get through here. We'll look at some things, maybe watch a couple shows or something. I don't think we're gonna talk a whole lot.
Just gonna experience it. When we find the food, we'll talk about the food and different things that we should talk about. But we're gonna show you guys different clips and scenes of the area and cool stuff, and we'll talk about it later. We'll give you our review.
Well, yeah, maybe. Or we may talk about it. I don't know yet. Depends. Depends on what mood we're in so far. But anyway, this place is cool so far, and it's shaded, so it's not going to get super hot today, which is really nice. So anyway, we'll see you guys in a few. Check out that show.
Yeah. We'll go down here and then we'll come back.
The strange thing on the end of my hand?
Yeah, what is that? What kind of bird is that?
It's not a bird.
It is not a bird.
No, it's a camera.
Ooh, I've only heard of these cameras as cannons. We fire those.
You fire cannons?
We fire cannons all the time.
Oh, this is a GoPro.
Oh. We are professional pirates. Is
You're
that the same
professional
thing?
pirates.
That's how we go pro.
Oh, wow. So, hang on. If you're pirates, why are you so far inland?
Well, meet my first mate, who is also the navigator.
Navigator?
Yes.
Hi.
This is
Hello?
I got a little lost. I got a loss.
Way lost from the ocean.
Yes, I got a lot of lost.
She is directionally impaired, but she's the best I could find.
Slim
The
pickings.
captain had to escort me to the ship this morning.
Yes, yes. It's going to be, I'm probably going to put a tag on my first mate that says, if lost, please return to the Marco Polo stage.
Ah.
That is where we are at this morning.
Okay.
Well, enjoy yourself and,
You too.
and your GoPro.
My GoPro.
GoPro!
Yes.
We always like to give you a little gratuitous fighting before we introduce ourselves. That way, you at least have seen something. All right, Allah, Allah, hey, hey, ha! Yes, I have all that in the bag of chips. That's right, I'm going pro, baby. Good people, you have found yourself at the singing,
Sword swinging,
stud show, swords,
and roses. The
I would like to introduce to you Capitan Dion!
I'm captain now. My dear pirates, under my rule, I promise you ale in every cup, coin in every pouch, and a ship in every port.
Dion!
Yes.
You are not the Capitan. I was about to go into my brilliant, exquisite introduction when I stubbed my foot on this thing. Loose ropes upon my deck is one thing I require. 4 souls to mind the capstan, from my crew for hire. Loose ropes cause a danger I will not tolerate. And if I trip on any of them, I'll be hanging my first mate. I want a dream ship, not a steamship, with us flawless at the seams. I want a dream ship for friendship, to be my ship of dreams.
Okay, so we just saw a couple pirates do a comedy skit. It was the first show of the day, so it was a little rough. They had a lamp stunt double because they grabbed 2 lamps. But we're gonna go look at some other things here too. So they have a bunch of different shops and things set up. There's even a building over here that's got different costumes and stuff set up into it too. This is some really neat place. There is an area up here that looks like it's in the sun a little bit, but that'll be all right. So this is the turkey leg. It is covered in barbecue sauce, but it was only $6, so this is a lot. And her and I are gonna share it. She's actually over there where we got it, getting some napkins. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite and see how it tastes. That's pretty good. That's pretty good stuff. So I'll wait till Ash gets back and let her try it. All right, so here's Ash taking her first bite. It's kind of tough, isn't it?
It is, but it's messy
And
too.
it's dripping here, so you got to be careful of that. So yeah, very messy.
Not the easiest thing to eat.
No, I think we may. This may be our first and last turkey leg, just because I haven't seen this today. So, but it's still good.
Yeah.
Okay, so turkey leg, not a great success. It was super messy.
10 out of 10 would not recommend.
It was good. It was good, but like not something I wanted to eat while trying to walk around. It was really nasty. So, like not nasty, but like messy. It was really, really messy, but the food was good. So, headed down Archer's Trail. We made a small pit stop, and Ash found some fried Oreos. And she's already eaten them, of course, 'cause she never waits. And how are they?
They're so hot.
They're hot.
So good though.
Well, here, let me see one. Let me try one. Okay, here's mine. Let's see how these are. And they are hot. I can feel it on my hand.
Gosh, you're so hot.
They're good. They're really good. So, I do have to say that everybody's costumes and dress up look great. And whoop, there's some horses right over there that are probably used for jousting or petting or something. But yeah, everybody looks great here. This is awesome.
It's really nice too.
Yes, everybody is very nice. And I'm having a great time so far. But we're gonna give you some shots and some B-roll here of the sights that we're seeing and everything.
We gotta find something to eat.
Yeah, we do have to
Real
find
food.
something real food to eat also. They did have, what was it?
Euros.
They do have euros here, so I'm kind of
Lamb
excited about the
euros,
lamb
that's
euros.
real.
Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. So when we find those, that's when we'll check back in with you.
I'm gonna try it real quick. So, let's see if this is any good. Should have asked for no tomatoes, but we'll see. There. Ooh, it's hot.
Is it? Ooh,
Yeah.
It's good.
It's a good thing, yes. Kind of excited. It's really hot on your hand.
This is a paper towel.
But this is really good. This is really, really good. You want to try it?
No.
Why not?
It's not look good to me.
You don't like it?
All the white stuff is and
It's sour cream and cheese. That's all it is, yeah. Like this is like Gouda cheese or something. Some sort of special cheese.
something from Greece.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of cheese.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be a hard pass for me.
You're missing out. This is really good. Okay, so now the time has come for you guys, and you can hear them over there. We got here a little late, a little jousting, screaming. So now it's time for you guys to see some jousting. So I'm pretty excited. Crowd sounds really hyped. There's a bunch of horses out there now, so we'll show you that as soon as we get up here.
And we will do so by launching at the ring.
A cheer for the Lady Megan!
Samantha! Yeah, I'm not going to remember that. Second! Wow. Now parade your favors. Very well. Salute and to your hands. The score stands 1-0. Landed a massive throw. 2 points. unacceptable! I am outraged! I will not stand for this! I demand a recount! We're not standing for this. You are flat on your back, on the ground. That is where you are. But understand, it happens. Understand that what little honor you have may be redeemed at the hour of 2. When you meet him again by the king's joust. Farewell, what shall you glory
So we just got done with the joust, and that was actually really fun to watch. Like the
first time I've
actors
ever
and
seen it.
everything were really funny and had dad jokes.
They really did. And then after the joust, we stopped and got us something called what?
Walk the plank juice.
Walk the plank juice.
So.
It's pretty good. So, really strong.
Yeah.
It's really strong. So, but anyway, with that, we're gonna head out to the car. I think that's gonna end off our day.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was a good time.
It
So
might not be our thing per se.
no, I don't think it's really our thing. I don't know if we will come back. But if you're a Renaissance person,
Yes.
this place seems really, really cool.
I will say, like, the buildings are really done up well, and I think that's really cool because it kind of sets you in that feel.
Absolutely.
If you're here in the medieval times, so
Absolutely.
I think that everybody
Renaissance
does
times, not medieval
yeah.
times.
But I think that the people that are running this, they're doing a really great job. So don't let our opinion on Renaissance fairs in general probably deter you,
Yeah.
because it's not our thing, I don't think.
No, it's not. But anyway, we do recommend coming if you are into Renaissance fairs and everything like that. So anyway, with that being said, don't forget to hit the likes button, subscribe button, and the
Bell notification.
so that way you don't miss any of our adventures. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.